smell of it. Say that it's love, but to me it's looking counterfeit. I get done with one and move right on to another bitch. Yeah. College educated, she graduated. Any bill she can't front, her parents paid it. The show was far, you the only one with a car out your girlfriends. But being that she's a big fan, of course she made it. Most girls wanna hide the fact of the thrill they chasing, but you just wanna get drunk tonight and fuck someone famous. So I just name a time and a place, and you're game for it. Value player, hotel room, meet you there.
अरे और कुछ सोच नहीं रहा है, क्या बोलूँ मैं? कुछ सोच रहा है
कि I'm not good at this impromptu.
और ये प्रेसिडेंट बन गए.
जोर से बोल. Hectic roller coaster.
Isolated, momentous.
Personally good. मस्ती किया. Tired. एकदम trap chick.
Second home. Exhausting.
It's a home for me.
Exposure.
Growth. It's over. Crazy. Transformative. Grateful. Growth and exposure.
Heavy.
Challenging. Amazing. Life changing.
Pleasantly unpleasant.
Wonderfully witchy.
Interesting. These last 5 years, the most I felt is developed.
Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
I see myself living a very successful life, and in whatever field I go in, I will be very confident and independent and try to work hard in every way possible.
I guess financially stable and independent.
Working on some research.
Hopefully, treating some animals.
To be alive and happy.
Healthier, wealthier, and wiser.
Struggling! But doing my research work while struggling.
Probably exploring life. Probably on a bike ride somewhere. Hopefully, fingers crossed.
Sleeping probably. No, I'm kidding. I'll probably be teaching at school or in a college.
In field work working, in laboratory working. Honestly, I have no idea. But I hope to have a veterinary degree, and I hope to be practicing and having animals around me all the time. I wish to travel, so I hope all of that comes true.
Jungle mein.
No, yeah, just very, very rich, very big house. Oh my god, multiple houses, bungalows, bungalows. A very rich husband, बहुत अच्छा career. Yeah, very good career, a lot of money, a lot of traveling, good food every day.
Myself in 10 years as someone who's working, definitely. Hopefully getting a PhD or has gotten a PhD, and definitely doing content creation. So like, subscribe and follow for sure.
Apparently, I will have a business of my own. I hope so. That's it.
Probably a CEO of a rich company. Probably with the job. Husband who's hot. And I don't know, a big house which I bought with my own money. Maybe. Hope so. Millionaire.
Exploring and successful.
Probably conducting shark surveys or cetacean surveys, maybe.
Hopefully married to a rich man.
Somewhere in the woods, killing people legally.
I see myself at my cozy home with 10 cats, 11 dogs, 9 fishes, 3 birds, and 5 spiders, jumping spiders.
Probably bagging in front of my classmates' office. Probably being a travel influencer.
Somewhere working in a lab.
Living my dream.
Not in India. Doing in some lab work outside.
Probably some lab
Prashant sir part.
PhD करते हैं.
रास्ते पे भीख मांगती हूँ.
No. I'll probably be working with animals and probably traveling a lot.
Treating patients in clinic and traveling to new countries.
about 10 years, I want to see myself like on the beach, either working in something and having enough security in my life to like be gung ho for conservation, traveling, surfing. Surfing is a big goal in it. I hope that's the first thing that comes to mind. But either conservation side or I'm working in like Nat Geographic. That's it.
Oh shit. I either want to do marine biome, like nicely, enjoy marine biome, be in the fishes, swimming or some shit, or get into nature documenting. That'd be amazing, but it'll be a little bit. It's like I don't know where I'm gonna go, but I know I'm gonna be happy doing what I'm doing.
Gen Z is widely considered an employer's nightmare, and survey after survey shows this. A new one is out. It says that 1 in 6 companies do not want to hire Gen Z. They say Gen Z is entitled, easily offended, unable to handle feedback, lacking in motivation, professionalism, strong work ethic, and communication skills. That's quite the list. It makes you think, what doesn't Gen Z lack? Apparently, the ability to make things worse.
खिड़की पे कोई खड़ा है, लैला का टाका भिड़ा है, मजे उड़ाती है मेरी मोहब्बत। मेरी जान मेरे को मजनू बना कर, कहाँ चल दी प्यार की फुकरी बजा कर। मेरी जान मेरे को मजनू बना कर, कहाँ चल दी प्यार की फुकरी बजा कर। बंगले के पीछे है ताला, खिड़की खुली है, खिड़की के नीचे है नाला, कोई खड़ा है, लैला का टाका भिड़ा है, मजे उड़ाती है मेरी मोहब्बत की बूझ मार के। मेरी जान मेरे को मजनू बना कर, कहाँ चल दी मेरी जान मेरे को मजनू बना कर, कहाँ चल दी प्यार की फुकरी बजा कर।
Ma'am, what will you miss about our batch?
Your noise. I'll miss a lot of interactions.
Okay.
Lot of discussions. Gupshup. Firstly, as I said, your mischievous. Your togetherness and your interaction with the department, your rapport with the department, your fun with the department, I will miss all that. You people were so close to the department, very lovingly, or you can say very frankly, you would come up and tell us things, talk to us. I will miss all that.
I had spent time with these kids during trips also, and I think this is one of the best batches I have ever seen, because I have taught in earlier college also. Batch was fab. I enjoyed my time with this batch. So the moment that I will remember for my entire life is that we were playing the game called as Guess Me If You Can, and Prashant sir and Pushpa ma'am came into the lab and scolded me as well as all the students, and that was the moment, and I will remember that for my whole life. And yeah, that's it. All the best for your future.
The first thing I will miss is the spontaneity with which they make videos after the trip gets over. Okay, that is, I think, I have never seen it before in any batch, and I will probably never get to see it. Not just the videos, the script, the acting, the direction, and the editing, all done before we finish. The bus reaches back wherever we are. The second thing is probably the camaraderie and the friendship we enjoyed, the way we interacted with each other outside class. Very free, very open. I think I will miss these two things the most.
अरे यार रो दूं क्या मैं अभी? See, first of all, this is my first NEP batch and I'm very proud of them. Most of them have done excellent job. And one thing that I would miss is the way they used to respond to almost everything that I taught during my biochemistry class. It was like one of the first biochemistry class to NEP batch, and it was very. I'm a bit emotional right now, so you can see clearly. But yeah, it was very touching, and I still cannot believe that they gave me that mark. All of you obviously gave me that mark, which read enough, and that was very sweet of them. And what was it? I know something. I forgot about it. You mean a lot. Oh yeah, correct. So obviously I'll miss all of you responding to all my sometimes being very emotional, sometimes being very strict, and most of the times I was just a fun-loving person that you obviously know. You cannot even deny, okay? But yeah, I think
Are you crying?
I may cry, so you just cut it out now.
चांगली बॅच होती, खूप मस्ती करायची, एन्जॉय करायची, खूप मस्ती करायची. फेवरेट
मिसिंग करेगा बोले तुम लोग सबको मिसिंग करेगा. बैच अच्छे सबसे बेस्ट बैच है, इलेक्टिव बैच. दे ऑलवेज कोऑपरेट.
असं मिस करणार, तुमच्या शहरात मिस करणार, इकडे तिकडे आगवणार, हे सगळं मिस करणार. नेट आठवण म्हणजे आम्ही तुम्हाला ओळखतो, लंचच्या बाहेर जा हे सगळ्यात मोठी फेवरेट आहे.
Love you all and miss you all.
जिंदगी तो है बताशा मीठी मीठी. अलविदा यारा अलविदा, हो रहे तुमसे हम जुदा, ले चले सारे हम तेरे, खुश रहे यारा तू सदा, तुमसे भी ज्यादा होंगी अब यादें प्यारियां, हम दोनों की हैं अपनी लाचारियां. अब हंसते हंसते तुम पे ले खुशियां वारियां. मर्ज भी हैं देती, चैन भी हैं देती, दर्द भी हैं देती, जान भी हैं लेते यारियां.